kita to kanina sa break. We're here at Highway 5. Well, good morning, everybody. We're here at Highway 5, southbound. Uli nami. Uli nami kay Mars Canada.
Ikaw track ka 60 ka lang ha? Dagang ka 20 ha?
Washington Street Manila State rin no? Mingaw kay kalsada kay sayo pa sa Butagon. Our time is 5:11 in the morning.
Okay.
Okay. We are leaving Canada and we're here in Washington State. Going to Seattle. Is still in Highway 5 northbound. And you see, look at that. Look at the Washington State. Mura siya mga farming. Lots of builders are farming. Lots of people here has its own farmland. And the other side, here, look at that. See? Mura Pilipinas no, humayan. Pero dili na siya humay. I think that's an hay. Pagkaon sa magkabayo, baka o uban pa. Kunya, guess what? Our macho driver here from Bay Area, California, Ruben. Alright guys, see you next.
Sino?
This is Tulalip Casino Resort here in Washington State. And continue. We got a traffic jam here. Oh boy. And also we have here Cabillas. What is this Cabillas? Hunting, fishing. Okay. At kung mukha mo mag-fishing mo dito, mukha mag-lisensya din ha. 1 day, 2 days, 1 month. And we have also here the Home Depot. Alright, there's the traffic jam here. And I enter in shuttle. This is the highway. And overpass over there. And the building is over there. And lots of building. There you go. This is Seattle. Be away. We are still in Highway 5. Southbound. Wow. Look at the traffic at the other side. Yes. Brad! Okay. Nami karon diri sa rest area.
Sorry, kasulat din dyan.
Yeah, nami rest area. Ito CR sa babae lalaki, duhani.
Tuwing
Ikas.
na.
Yeah, twin. This is the parking area. Also, pwede pagkag na kay pets dari pagawasan nimo pero imong sunod-sundon kaya lang ipot imo pisuhon imong pick upon. Yeah. Right. And this is the car that we drove going to we're going to the out. Okay. All right. Okay. And we're inside now. Oops.
Joyce chocolate.
Yeah, kumusta ra mo diha? Mga ladies and gentlemen.
We're eating chocolate.
Oh, eating chocolate.
Chocolate fraction.
Okay, we're going now. See you next.